Do you find math boring? Ever wish you could learn it in a fun and engaging way? It's a common misconception that math is dull and challenging. Many of us picture math as a tedious process of crunching numbers and solving complex equations. However, what if I told you there's a way to turn this around? A method that transforms learning math into an exciting game-like experience. If you've ever felt this way, you're not alone. But what if there was a way to make learning math fun? Believe it or not, games can make learning math a lot more enjoyable and less intimidating. Imagine trading the mundane routine of flipping through textbook pages with the thrill of advancing levels in a game. That's what learning math through games is all about. Games can transform the often feared subject into an engaging and accessible activity. They provide a playful environment that fosters a deep understanding of mathematical concepts. This playful learning approach can ignite an increased interest in math. Moreover, the sense of accomplishment that comes from game victories can significantly boost a learner's confidence. This newfound confidence can spill over into traditional math classrooms, transforming hesitant hand raisers into eager problem solvers. Additionally, games demand strategic thinking and problem-solving skills. As learners navigate through game challenges, they unknowingly hone their mathematical skills, turning abstract concepts into tangible tasks. So, how does one learn math through games? Stay tuned to find out. Learning math through games involves a few simple steps. The first step is choosing the right game. This may seem like a no-brainer, but choosing a game that aligns with your learning objectives is crucial. There are games out there for every level of mathematical understanding, from basic arithmetic to complex algebra. Games like Math Playground or Prodigy cater to a wide range of concepts and can be a great starting point for beginners. Once you've chosen your game, the next step is setting your learning objectives. What exactly do you want to learn or improve upon? Is it multiplication, fractions, or perhaps geometry? Having a clear objective in mind will help guide your gameplay and keep your learning experience focused. Now, the fun part, playing the game. This is where the learning happens. As you navigate through different challenges and levels in the game, you're actively applying and practicing mathematical concepts. And the best part, you're probably having so much fun you hardly even realize you're learning. As you play, it's important to keep track of your progress. Are you finding certain levels or problems particularly challenging? Are there concepts you're struggling to grasp? This is where our next step comes in, reflection. Take some time after each gameplay session to think about what you've learned, what you found difficult, and what you'd like to improve upon in your next session. This reflection is key to turning gameplay into a true learning experience. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment with different games. Every game has its unique way of presenting mathematical concepts, and what works for one person might not work for another. So, try out a few different ones and see what suits you best. Games like Cool Math Games, Dragon Box, and Zeus vs. Monsters are highly recommended. They present math in a fun, engaging manner and offer a wide range of problems and concepts to work through. By following these steps, you can turn a seemingly difficult subject into an enjoyable learning experience. So, to sum it all up, learning math through games bridges the gap between education and enjoyment. It transforms the daunting task of mastering numbers into a delightful challenge. We've explored the concept and walked through a step-by-step guide, highlighting the benefits of this approach. It fosters critical thinking, problem-solving skills, and makes learning math an engaging experience. Remember, learning math doesn't have to be boring. With games, it can be fun and engaging. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself.